So hello friends, welcome to our channel. When you opening Mortal Kombat mobile, then the Mortal Kombat mobile is not opening and server maintenance is showing. So in this video I am showing you why the server maintenance is showing on your Mortal Kombat mobile. Watch this video till end. If you guys new on my channel, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. So today when you opening the Mortal Kombat mobile, so it shows server maintenance. Mortal Kombat is currently down for maintenance, please try again later. So what you have to do, because the server maintenance means today Mortal Kombat servers is down right now, and this is the reason why you are facing the server maintenance. So you have to wait for some time, some minute or an hour, because the server maintenance will be fixed automatically by the Mortal Kombat team. I hope guys you understand what I am saying. Do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.